Torsten, we were all bulled up on soft landing Goldilocks talk to start 2024. How close are we to changing that story?
Well, I think it is exactly very ironic that we came into 2023. Everyone said recession, recession, recession. Now we came into 2024. Everyone is saying soft landing, soft landing, soft landing. And as you just suggested, John, if you look at the components of inflation, yes, it may be that in the next month or two we could still have the disinflationary trend in place, but we're beginning to see more upside pressure on housing. We're beginning to see more upside pressure on wages on a number of different indicators, and we're also beginning to see more broadly an economy that generally is doing quite well because of the easing of financial conditions and therefore because of the labor market still being tight.
What was your base case at the start of the year, and has it changed yet?
So I came into this year, I did expect that this would be a soft landing, but the worry is that the risks have risen that we will not have a soft landing. I think that there's now a higher than 50% chance that we either have a hard landing or no landing. In other words, the fragile soft landing is really almost now the most unlikely scenario, because we now have a situation where if we have a labor market that's still getting stronger because of the easing in financial conditions, no wonder that the employment numbers were so good in January when companies now are IG issuing at the highest level literally in decades in January. You also had high yield issuance was very strong. IPO is beginning to wake up. M&A activity is beginning to wake up. Of course, you should expect to see the labor market do better. And therefore, you should also expect to see wage inflation do better.